Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating who you are and what the file expects. Run whoami and ID to confirm your user and groups, then do LSL on the target to see owner, group, and permission bits. Once done, attempt the minimal test with sudo v or su. This determines whether privilege elevation is possible. Make sure to observe whether the denial stems from ownership, mode bits, group membership, or missing pseudo rights, because that directs every next move. You now fix the underlying permission model. Change ownership when the owner is wrong, using chown user, group on the file or directory. Next, set mode bits with chmod. Use numeric forms like 640 for private files or 755 for executable directories, or symbolic changes such as G plus W to add group right. Once done, inspect extended controls. Run getFacle to see ACL entries and LSZ to check SE Linux context. Adjust setFacle or restoreCon if ACLs or security context block access. You finish by validating the fix. Perform the original operation as the target user. This proves the problem is solved. If a service interacts with the file, restart that daemon because some processes cache credentials. Use systemtool restart service or the appropriate command. If denial persists, check audit logs in /var/log/audit/audit. Log for denials and inspect /etc/sudoers for missing rules. One key tip, when unsure, reproduce the error under strace or search to see the exact syscall denial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.